Here we have a little tricky question on permutation. That is, we have to evaluate the series. Summation r is equal to 1 to 10, r times rpr is equal to. Okay, here, so usually whenever I find a value of a series which is given in the form of in summation notation, so what I need to do is I have to plug in the values for the given variable. Here, the starting value for r is equal to 1 and the ending value is 10. So in this r term, so I have to plug in r. When I plug in r is equal to 1, I'll be getting 1 times 1p1. Now I have to take addition sign because we have summation. So now I have to plug in the second value for that is 2. So 2 times 2p2. Then I have to plug in 3 times 3p3. In this way, it keeps going and I have to continue this up to r equal to 10. Then when I plug in r is equal to 10, I'll be getting 10 times 10p10. So we have, it's a bit difficult to evaluate this one because even for 10p10, we get 10 factorial. So to evaluate 10 factorial, we have to write 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 up to 1 and we have to multiply everything. So whatever value we are getting, it has to be multiplied by 10. And also in the previous terms also we'll have 9p9 9 factorial. So it's a bit complicated and we'll be getting like a lump sum value, but even that one is not given in option. So each option is given in terms of permutation. Okay, so it's a little tricky how to solve this problem. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, actually in the given series I have trouble. So because the value, the maximum, the ending value of r is 10. Instead of that, I am taking r is equal to 1 to 3 r times rpr. If I take r, if I the ending value of r is 3, then the options will be changed to 4p4, the first option. The second option will be changed to 4p4 negative 1. The third option will be changed to 4p4 plus 1. So because if the maximum value of r is 10, so here we have 10 plus 1, 11p11, 11p11, 11p11. In my case, I took the maximum value of r as 3. Then 3 plus 1, 4. That is 4p4, 4p4 minus 1, 4p4 plus 1. Okay, now let me evaluate the value of this one. I think I will be able to evaluate the value of this one because we just have only 3 terms. Okay, let me write this down. So I'm taking summation r is equal to 1 to 3 r times rpr. So r times rpr. First we have to plug in r is equal to 1 times 1p1, positive 2 times 2p2, positive 3 times 3p3. Okay, 1 times the value of 1p1 is just 1, and 1p1 is 1 factorial, that's 1, and 2 times the value of 2p2 is 2 factorial, which is 2. 3 times the value of 3p3 is 3 factorial. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, and the value of 3 factorial. 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So the value of 3 factorial is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 18, 23. So when the maximum value of r is 3 in the given series, so its value is just 23. Okay, so in which of these 3 options I'm getting 23? I have to check it. So here 4p4 means it's 4 factorial. What is the value of 4 factorial? So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So already we know that this is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. The value of 4 factorial is 24. So for this option we get 24. For this option we get 24 minus 1, which is 23. For this option we get 24 plus 1, 25. So in the given, when I find the value of the series over here, that is when the maximum value of r is 3, the value of this series is 23. So we get the same value 23 in the second option. So when the maximum value of r is 3, so the given series, that is summation r is equal to 1 to 3 r times rpr equals to 4p4 negative 1. R is equal to 1. Instead of 3, if I have 10 in this series, then the given series must be equal to what? If the maximum value of r is 3, here we have 4p4, that is 3 plus 1, 4. But instead of 3, if I have the maximum value of r is 10, then 10 plus 1, 11p11 minus 4, so 11p11 minus 1. So the correct answer choice for the given question is option B.